Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the basics. Make sure Roblox and the talent show map are updated, and that you've allowed the game to access mic or chat. Once done, enter the game lobby and open the settings wheel. Enable the auto performance mode that automates timing and basic movement. You do this now to let the system control routine inputs. This saves you from manual timing, so you can focus on cues and creative choices rather than button spam. Next, you configure how auto behaves during your act. Choose a preset, dance, instrument, or comedy, and then fine-tune timing sensitivity between 0, 1, and 1. 0 so auto matches the song tempo. Once you set that, assign quick keys for interrupt and gesture overrides. This lets you jump in manually when a unique bit is needed. Make sure to preview a short clip to watch Auto's choreography and adjust animations. This step prevents awkward moves during the live judging period. When you perform, let Auto run the routine but stay attentive. Watch timing and use your interrupt key when a spontaneous moment or judge interaction appears. If Auto drifts offbeat, pause between songs, recalibrate the song offset value, and lower sensitivity slightly to tighten synchronization. Also make sure your network latency is low. High ping causes missed cues. If nothing fixes it, disable Auto, rejoin the lobby, and re-enable after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.